Welcome to Car Hub. Today, we're diving into the classic beauty that is the Chevrolet Bel Air. This iconic car has been a symbol of American automotive history, and it still continues to turn heads with its sleek design and timeless charm. Whether you're a vintage car enthusiast or someone considering adding this legendary model to your collection, this review will give you a comprehensive look at the Chevrolet Bel Air, from its specifications to its standout features. The Chevrolet Bel Air first hit the roads in 1950 and quickly became a favorite among drivers who appreciated style, comfort, and performance. It's a full-sized car that was available in multiple body styles, including a two-door coupe, four-door sedan, and convertible. The Bel Air was particularly known for its luxurious trim and attention to detail, which set it apart from other cars of its era. It featured a signature tail fin, wide grille, and chrome accents that have come to define the classic 1950s car aesthetic. Under the hood, the Bel Air offered several engine options over the years, including inline-6 and V8 engines, with the most powerful variants delivering impressive horsepower. The V8 engine, in particular, gave the Bel Air a significant boost in performance, making it a popular choice among car enthusiasts. The ride quality was smooth, and the handling was responsive for a car of its size, allowing drivers to enjoy both cruising and spirited driving. Inside, the Chevrolet Bel Air had a spacious cabin with well-designed seating, offering comfort for both the driver and passengers. The upholstery and dashboard were made from high-quality materials, providing a luxurious feel. The design of the interior, with its clean lines and chrome accents, captured the essence of the era while maintaining practicality. The car was also known for its solid build quality and durability, making it a reliable companion for long road trips or daily commutes. Over the years, the Bel Air saw several updates, including changes to its exterior styling and technology. While it didn't feature modern amenities like today's cars, it was ahead of its time in terms of design and craftsmanship. Features such as power steering, power brakes, and air conditioning were available on later models, improving the overall driving experience. For anyone looking to own a Chevrolet Bel Air today, it remains a sought-after classic. Whether for its historical significance, its beautiful design, or its sheer performance, the Bel Air holds a special place in the hearts of car collectors. If you're considering purchasing one, be sure to check the car's condition and maintenance history, as these vehicles have stood the test of time and can still provide many years of enjoyment. If you enjoyed this review and want to learn more about classic cars, don't forget to subscribe to Car Hub for more in-depth videos and reviews. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more exciting content.